Hi, my name is Yash Vora and my unity is YVORA. Today I'm going to demonstrate a very busy example how to initialize a local Git repository and how to create a post commit file which is going to open up a web browser with a link to it, which is a part of my software engineering homework. Let's get started. So let's just create a directory where we are going to initialize the repository, and let's check the contents, which is empty. So we are going to initialize the repository using git init command, which is going to create some configuration files for the repository in the .git file. One of them would be a hooks directory where we are going to create a post commit file if it is not present already. So as we see, it is not there, so let's create one. And over here I'm going to type in post commit. So in this file, we are going to write a very basic bash script, which is going to open a web browser with a link to it. Open a web browser on Mac, since I'm using a Mac. So the command says open -a, the name of the browser, which is Safari, and the link which I want to open. And that's it. I'm going to write the contents of the file, as we have to set up permissions after we create a new file. So as of now, this file is not executable and we want it to be executable. So let's change the permissions using chmod +x, and I'm going to say post commit. So this has made this file executable. Now if I go and check the status of the repository, it says there are no commits and no files as yet. So let's create one file. So let's say my first file, and I'm going to write some contents in this. Let's say this is my first commit file, and I'm going to write it. So if I check the status of the Git right now, it is going to say there is one file which is untracked. So let's add it to the tracking into the Git, and by using git add, and I'm going to say my first file. So if we see the status again, it is going to show that there is a new file which is not yet committed. So let's commit this file to the repository by using git commit -n, which is the message, my first commit. And since we have set up a post commit script, it is going to open up a web browser as soon as we hit the commit command, and it is going to open the link which I provided. So let's see, and boom, here is a browser with the link which I provided. So this is basically the link of my homework 0 GitHub page, which has all the submission details over here. So to summarize, we basically created a local Git repository, and inside that, in the .git hooks directory, we created a post commit file, which basically has a very basic bash script to open a web browser, and that's it. So this was a small demo. Hope you like it and hope this was helpful. Thank you.